Kublai Pibaro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakongsan menta ke sengi kilong. Ke Kongres Kampat Keren AA Shapang ke election MP Ong Emmanuel Badwar. Da ke yau kinong Tanjan Rindia belong ke District Handloom Haribhoi. Bat beta u Archbishop Victor ye kipat Katolik banduai na kebenta ke jingsuk haperthai. Bat mentangin pai syaki Khubor makambanya. Hadin ke jingklat no jong MP jong ke Shillong Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ha kita yau baladem ke baladon ru ke jingkeren harum haning ba ke Kongres kedai ban Seino yau Samla rangba Emmanuel Badwar ban yakun ye kini ke election MP Shiteng Samoy na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Habaya keren bat kilap patai Khubor hakan riu terik Lber uba Emmanuel Badwar uba Deiru State Secretary jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ulaong ke jingmi kerteng kedai hakirinsan jong ke social media bat ulaong kumbalong menta ke Kongres Kampat Yakren AA Shapang kini ke election Shiteng Samoy. Nalor kata ulaong ha ke jing sngau jong u ke Kongres ke don kam ban sei di kibriu ke bala shempang bha bat ke badon ke jingyade hanong ba Delhi.
The round for the MP elections is a social media activity that has happened. I don't know through where. We as a party have not discussed at all. Okay, and I don't think so. It's the right time for us to start discussing about who the candidate is and so on and so forth. It is not wise. It is not right. We have to give it some time. With all due respect to late Dr. Sinkan who had passed away, and we're going to take a little time because we know that even as a party also we have to be very clever into which candidate we send. Why I say so? Because there's only 2.5 years left, number one, and believe it or not, to send a new candidate is going to be extremely difficult, okay, because they have to acclimatize themselves to Delhi. They have to go there, they have to network, they have to do a whole lot of activities, right, before we even start delivering. So from the party's perspective, I'm not in the notion of sending we are not in the notion of sending anybody new, but of course we've not had any discussion, but this is just my personal thought. I would definitely like somebody who has the experience. I would always like somebody who already have a network, because let's face fact, there are very two important issues that are there in the state today. One is the ILP and the other is the Khasi language entering the 8th schedule, right? So if you look at these two aspects, they are already in the pipeline, right? So we know for sure that the BJP government will not do anything about them. We know that for sure, okay? They might beat around the bush, but they're not going to take any action on it. We as a Congress, remember one thing, we have more than 100 MP in the parliament today. And on top of the 100 MP that we have, we also have coalition people who are already aligned with us. The job of any MP of the state, if at all the public chooses an MP from the Congress, the job of that MP is to go and at least brief to each and every MP that is there within the Congress, the 100 plus people, and explain to them the importance of the ILP, because it has already been passed as a resolution by the Assembly. And that MP has to go and explain to each and get what we call in English as the buy-in, so that these people will understand that yes, Meghalaya needs it, and it's not something which is derogatory, it's not something which is very bad, correct? And the other thing is, the same MP has to also go and explain to them that the Khasi language especially, and the Garo language for that matter in the long run, is also important to be entering the 8th schedule. So these are the two important things that needs to be done. And believe it or not, we have to hit the ground the moment the MP is elected. And we believe that if somebody is of a caliber who has already got the networking skills, who already has people he knows, who already is very familiar with living in Delhi and familiar with everything else and with the parliament and the activities within the parliament, it will be benefiting us a lot more. Because let's face fact, ILP and the Khasi language and the Garo language, I think the 8th schedule is something which is definitely in the agenda of the public at large. And it is not a case of whether we get it or we don't get it. It's just a case of when do we get it. And if we can speed it up a little faster by at least allowing and ensuring that the MPs that are there within the Congress party already is very well versed with such an issue, it will be better for us. Because believe it or not, we know it for sure that sooner or later the Congress also will come into power in Delhi. And at that time, it will be a lot faster for us to take this agenda or this issue forward, because it's very difficult for any party which is a single man or for anybody which is new to even go there. It is going to be difficult for him, for anybody. Yeah, it takes time. Yes, we have lost, and we know that we've lost an MP recently, and it's bad luck for the state. But then at the end of the day, we need to also continue the agendas that has been taken forward by various MPs in the past. And I think this is an agenda which is state related. It has nothing to do with politics. And we, at least I can tell you for sure that when we do have the meeting, these kind of narrative from our side will go very strongly towards the party also, and let the party decide as to which is the best candidate.
The party wants to
I think it's very immature for me to even say anything right now. It depends on what the party thinks. But my strong point is very plain and simple, that we need somebody who's very well versed, who has been in that line for quite some time, and it depends on what the party.
Ka office jong ka district handloom officer mentakasngi kan riu terik Lber kala pelong ya kawe ka program kerpang ya ka beletip kum ka looms and links ka bade ka rinsan ban kinti ki nong than jan bat nong thirksai bat ru ban penpau perthai ki jan be ki than lingba ka yo ye pen inam ka pa arsngi ka belong ru shibenta ban kinti ki kam than jan bat ki kam thirksai kam tam hakari boy district. Yakini ka program lawan ban play do principal secretary katana textile uba FS Kharkongor kumukongsan ha ka jingdon ringkat u deputy commissioner karibhoy u Abilash Baranwal kum sumbot kongsan ka kong MR Lwaj director katana handloom ka kong Monica Lingdo zonal head katana handloom uba Daniel Sim uwe na u fashion designer bapaw ha ka Jylla Kakong DP Taryang ke district handloom officer lembat kiwe ki officer harangkat ki SHG bat ki nong thanjan na ke district baper. Habakren na kani kasngi na kaliang uba FS Kharkongor principal secretary katana textile uloong bakajing penlong ya kani ke program kalong shibanta ban ailat ikinong thanjan bakin penya yawi ki jan bagi than batru ban 1 ki nong thiet ki jan bagi penmi ka balong shibanta ka kamai kaji ya kinong than.
I inaugurate this. Okay, ready? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
It is a program which is very different, very important. It's called Looms and Links. And if you look at the banner, the byline is where heritage meets horizon. What does this mean? That we all know that India, Nitya Baba India, today Shibintan, the culture to me, the smart sand, but national or international, national and international recognition. The previous year we have received Jylla recognition. But when you are Jylla recognition, to obtain Jylla recognition is not an easy task. However, the fact that India has been recognized by your GI, that shows the world's recognition. But GI Kelab itu susu, kelab itu susu yang enam yang belum yang India pemilihan ini. What ada itu Prime Minister, group agaman kibat, program agaman kibat, ada program agaman kibat. Antara itu Prime Minister melakukan supaya GI recognition ayo ke India ini apa Meghalaya. But ini where heritage meets horizon. Kemudian kita sakut hak ini ke Jylla juga. Kemudian kita sakut hak ini ke district Khubor juga. Jadi kita di district kita tahu. Kemudian kenam kelapor, berkelakio, jadi segmen, because horizons. Namun ini program kita menurut kita bagi expand ya ke horizon ini. NEHU bagi private, we should not think small anymore. We should think beyond our borders, beyond national borders, beyond international and up to international borders. But NEHU is one fashion designer who has taken India. He has been an ambassador of India. Has taken the India to international platforms, right from Milan to Turkey to London and to various places. In Milan we were there. And it is a growing interest. Many people kuat betul sama dengan dunia mereka natural, mereka eco-friendly. Mereka juga mereka peace, dunia punya. Tapi mereka ethical resource, kalau ethical resource, kalau kita non-violence itu bagaimana? Entah mereka kami natural dyes, we use natural colors. Kata mereka there is something about encourage people bagi dibuat shows from India ini. Mereka kita attractive but eventually you have people power markets. You have fabric, fabric with synthetic dyes, chemical dyes, but you don't side effect. Orang pun kami kemarin bagi serai, dan bagi kulit hijau. But Malay mereka, berjaya ia livelihood. Bagi pendidikan ia jingkir ia jingkir kita ia ki women viewers, Musang flashay kita Women's Day kan, but kalau pun sekedar bagi celebrate Women's Day ini kalau ini activity predominantly done by the women viewers. Kai jingkir, kai jingkir, kai livelihood lagi intent. But within them, technical statistics, ini kan agriculture and breeding, kayak Samla 50,000 people gave livelihood from this activity, and agriculture and breeding sector, kai jamnya, pergi sampai 8,000 viewer, 42,000 viewers all over the.
Ukli Kebalang Catholic Jong Kejalan Yamba Shillong Archdiocese Most Reverend Victor Lingdo Hakashithi Bulatho Hakan Riu Terik Lber Shabarok ki Parish Priest Kiseng Riu Nyam Bat Shikipat Ba Catholic Ulakin Tujur Ban Penlong ki Jingdwai Bekerpang Bat Kajing Sha Jing Id Nakabenta Kajing Suk Hakaperthai Barok Kawai Archbishop Victor Hakani Kashithi Ulapin Kanmao Yakajing Kalang Kathma Haki Babon Kiri Jong Kaperthai Kabalabo Yakajing M Jong Kibriu Hakajing E Kipakra Ulong Kajing Don Kam Bokong Santam Hakani Khubor Kalong Ban Pa Shoblay Ban Dwai Nakabenta Kajing Suk Hakiri Kaperthai Ula ai kini kajing Patha Kajing Kentu Shaborok Kipat Catholic Jong Kejalan Yamba Shillong Ban Yasnok Tilang Bat Kebalang Catholic Kari India Barok Kawai Ban Penlong ya kesngi ublay ke Pratarik Lber Arjar Arpunriu kum kesngi Bandwai Kerpang Nakabenta Kajing Suk Hagamas Bakot Bat Habarok Kajing Seng Ban penlong ye kijing dwai rosary haman kesngi hala ke ying kesem Katolik haki parish bat haki ying riu nyam naduk ka pratarik Lber haduk ka khatsau tarik Lber arajar arpun riu na ke benta ke jingsuk ka perthei bat na ke benta ki briu barok ki besyak ta akni ke thama. Ban penlong ye kesngi tho ding ka khat lai tarik Lber kum kesngi sya jing et bat kesngi jing dwai bekerpang na ke benta ke jingsuk ka perthei bat na ke benta ki tu ki balangat ki jing e babunjat na ke ni ke thama. Archbishop Victor ulapen kut dak poong ai bi kijing duai kijing sha jing et bat kijing len la di jungi kin longkum kijing terwa barit hakmat ublei bakat ma kan kut no bat ban wan biang ka shong suk shong san hak perthai baro kawai bat da kini ki khubor ngila poi shika bakut jang kini ka thup khubor